In this video, I'll show you how to program Universal Remote for Soundbar. Step 1. Prepare the devices. Ensure your soundbar is turned on. The Universal Remote should have working batteries. Find the list of soundbar codes in your remote's manual. Step 2. Enter the code. Press and hold the audio or sound button on the Universal Remote. When the indicator light turns on, enter the 4 or 5-digit code for your soundbar brand. Release the button and the light should blink to confirm. Step 3. Test the remote. Point the remote at the soundbar and test the volume up and volume down buttons. If the soundbar responds, the code is correct. Press enter or stop to save. If the soundbar does not respond, it doesn't work. Repeat the process with a new code. And that's how you program your universal remote for your soundbar. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. Have a nice day.